Here's a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche that's had no pets inside and is smoke-free. This local two-owner trade has the durable 5.3-liter V8, a smooth shifting automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and a power driver's seat. It also has a CD player, new tires, new rotors, new brake pads, and more. The previous owner took very good care of this Avalanche. Stop by, call, or email us today.
At Rochester Ford Mazda, we're all about service and selection. We are conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 North in Rochester.